Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to bring you a skincare video because I've been working really hard this year at finding the right products to give that glass-like skin for mature women. It's not easy. Mature skin is a whole topic in itself. Fine lines and wrinkles, dehydration, pigmentation, I mean, the list goes on and on. The texture, something that I struggle with. So I wanted to show you, I really feel less is more. I have some products that I have found that I feel that this really does work, and I wanted to share it with you. This video also is in partnership with Nira Laser. It's your first at-home FDA cleared laser that you can do in the comfort of your own home. I have shown you this product multiple times. It was funny. Last week when I was doing Fierce Aging, my guest had told me, I was like, what are you doing with your skin? Have you been doing any in-office procedures? She's like, no, I bought the Nira when I saw you showed it on your channel. I said, oh my gosh. I said, how are you liking it? She's like, I love it. And it's always so good to hear from my audience when you love something that I've showed you that I'm using and you find it to be beneficial. I love hearing that because I don't always get to meet you and I don't always get to have these conversations. So the Nira laser I showed you, I think 2 years ago, I have two different ones. They're having a 25% sale on their website now. This is a great time if you're ready to take your skin to the next level. You're ready to make 2025 your year of the most amazing skin. This is nice because you're not having to go into the office or a dermatologist or plastic surgeon's office multiple times, spending a lot of money. You can invest in the Nira laser, do it at your leisure. You have to be consistent though. And there's two different ones that I want to talk to you about. This is the Nira Pro. This has a larger face. So I really like this for pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles. I'm working on certain things on my face. I have this line that likes to go right there. I don't do Botox and filler. I haven't done it in years. I think it was 2021 when I stopped in the fall. So I have been doing and experimenting with so many things because I want my skin to look beautiful. I don't want to be injecting anything into my skin. So this is the Nira Pro that can go on, it's literally in 5 minutes, you can do your whole face, neck, décolleté, and your hands. So I like the larger face here. It has 5 different levels. They're very comfortable. You'll feel a little bit of heat. When I was using this last night, so I had to plug it in because I wanted to show you. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it, but it has these little beeps. So basically you pick out what level you want to be on, and then you place it on the skin. You're gonna feel it warm up just a little bit, and then it beeps to let you know to move on to the next area. So you're basically not overlapping, but I have a little makeup on, minimal, because I want my skin to come through. This is why I work so hard on my skin, because I want the least amount of makeup, but I want my skin to look beautiful and glowy. So this is how you place it on the skin. You lift up on a clean skin, but you'll hear this. If it's not placed properly, it'll tell you that it's not. So then you lift it up and then you place it again. And this is a wonderful way to work on the fine lines, to work on that pigmentation, to really get your skin where you want it to be, but not really be burdened by going into a office all the time. I want to simplify my life. And this is why I like doing a lot of the treatments at home for myself. I love smart tools, as you know. So this is the Precision. This one has a smaller little head here, as you can see. So this is if you have really targeted areas that you want to do around the eyes, or maybe you have those fine lines around the lip that you really want to target. This might be a little bit too big with this head for you if you have specific areas that you really want to work on and get those to be improved. So alongside of the Precision Nira, which is the smaller head, or the Pro, depending on what your needs are, pairing it with a good skincare regimen is going to be key. So I wanted to just highlight some products that have been really working for me with the intention of working on fine lines and wrinkles, pigmentation, really just getting that beautiful glass-like skin. And it is possible as a mature woman. I think we have to have realistic expectations though. We cannot look at Instagram and YouTube and look at girls that are in their 20s or 30s and think that our skin's gonna look like that. We need to understand the limitations of our skin and how to improve them without doing a ton of things. And I think that's the key. If you do too much, you're going to really take your skin into another direction. You need to be focused. You need to be able to do a nice skincare routine, pull in a smart beauty tool like the Nira laser that's going to address those issues. Be consistent, use it every day. If you can't use it every day, use it every other day. But treat it like this is your wellness, this is your skin health. So a double cleanse is something that I think is really important to be able to do. And I found this on Amazon. It's called Anua. This is heart leaf and vitamin E. This is an oil cleanser. So I use that first, and then I'll take my Dr. Dennis Gross AHA BHA daily cleansing gel, and I'll use that. So this is my double cleanse. So you really get your skin clean. That is the top recommendation that I can have for you, is to clean the skin. You want to remove all the makeup, the dirt, the pollution, the sunscreen, everything. So you can put on product that your skin's going to actually absorb, and it's going to really dramatically change the health of your skin when you're cleansing properly. Another product that I found that I thought was so interesting is this Anua Rice Plus Ceramide. This is a Korean line. I was researching something, I found it, I went on Amazon, I bought 4 products from them, and I've loved them. And I feel like my skin is so smooth, so hydrated, so beautiful. I've mentioned these before, but I haven't mentioned this one. This is a rice enzyme brightening cleansing powder. What's unique with this though, ladies, is that there's a ton of these powders on the market. I have actually a couple different brands that I have here that I do not like because it's not the right consistency. This, you have to be careful though. I don't really love this dispensing. It comes out a lot, but you put this into your hands, just a little bit, not a lot, just like that, like 2 taps. It looks like a little powder. You can't see. Just looks like a little powder, just like that. You put a little water on it, make it a nice paste. I'm gonna actually do that so you can see. So I just put a little water in here, and then this is what it looks like. It looks like a nice paste, and you're gonna see it's like almost like a little sticky paste. It's so great. So you put this on the skin, work it on the skin, and then you rinse it off. Your skin feels so beautiful, and you're not aggressively exfoliating your skin. You don't have a lot of granules that are feeling like maybe you have very sensitive skin. Maybe you can't use that. Maybe your skin's thinner. This is, I can't tell you, this is such a beautiful cleansing enzyme, exfoliating enzyme that's brightening also. That's the real key there. I love this product. So now after you take off the enzyme that's brightening, I put on the Rice 70 Plus Ceramide. This is a glow milky toner. This is really nice. I pour it into my hand, I put it on my skin, and I just let it be. In the morning, I won't cleanse my skin. That's something new that I've just started. I will use this on my skin because I don't want to keep stripping my skin and then layering more and more stuff. I want to keep it simple. So that's what I do. It's almost like my recovery mode. Like I give my skin a break from doing all of the things when it comes to skincare, and I'll just use that. If you want a nice moisturizing, it's a moisturizing milk. It says here intense moisturizing milk, but I don't find it to be very heavy. I find it to be a nice milky moisturizer. So this is from the same line, the Anua from, if I'm saying that right, from Korea. Another product that I find really beneficial for mature women. I've been using it since February. You can see it's falling apart. This is the Volufiline. This is to help build back the fat underneath the eye area. I was losing some volume because of the lash serum whole debacle that came out in the media, and I was using my cosmetic booster. This is a booster. You add it to a cream. You cannot use it by itself. So you use it, add a couple drops to your eye cream, put your eye cream on, and then add it on. But it's a booster, not to be used by itself. So I bought this also on Amazon. Also, using peptides. Nira has a really nice youth renewal peptide cream. Has vitamin C, squalene, caffeine in it. It's really nice to really help moisturize the skin, help put those vitamins into the skin, and give you more of a radiant glow. Something that I've had and have been using is the Snail 96 Mucin powder. I got this on Amazon also. You got to make sure that it says it's made in Korea. You want to make sure you're getting the right one. But this is, if you have dehydrated skin, especially during the winter, slather your skin with this. It's amazing. You will not be dehydrated. You can layer this also, put this on, wait a little bit, and then put on your moisturizer, maybe a heavier moisturizer, lock it all in. This is a really great product. Now, keeping on the glowiness of the skin, I really like the Bloom Effects Tulip Dew Shield and Glow. This is a stick SPF Mineral SPF 50. and then you just roll it up like this, swipe it on your skin, and you get this really beautiful glow. So if you're not wearing any makeup, you're loving what your Nira laser is doing to your skin, and you don't want to put on a bunch of things, and you want your SPF and you want to glow, this is going to be your answer. It's gorgeous. You've seen it. I've been using it a lot in my makeup tutorials. I love the glow. I love the fact that if you have nothing on, your skin looks gorgeous. It looks like you're super hydrated and radiant. Here's another little secret to keeping your concealer on. I did it in one of my other videos. The Aquaphor Healing Balm Stick. This is great. This is for chapped, chafed skin. But if you really need that hydration underneath your eyes, you want to put this on first. Really moisturize the eyes, let it set up, and then you can put on your concealer or your color corrector like Just Peachy, or leave your skin just blank like that and then put over some SPF. It's up to you. Once you finish all of this beautiful, simple skincare, I really think this is going to be a very big game changer for you. It's the Forever Glow Star Filter from Dior. I'm loving this. One of my guests from Fierce Aging told me about it. I went out and bought it, I think it was that day. And it's incredible to giving your skin this beautiful filter, then add on your BB cream, because this is so light. You can add on your BB cream, mix them together, or put on your serum foundation. You need just literally like 2 drops of this, and your skin looks gorgeous. I mean, I'm telling you. This little combo is so beautiful. The only other product that I put on my skin after I do my beautiful skincare, I'll do my Nira, I put on my Frownies. This is to basically put like a cast on my forehead. I only do it on my forehead here. This little area here, and then I just go across to relax my forehead at night. When I don't wear these, oh my gosh, it's like I'm doing the power duo. I'm doing the Nira, and then I'm doing my Frownies to basically work on the fine lines, really smooth it out, and then I put this on just to hold it like that all night, because you make faces at night, you're squinting, you're doing all kinds of things, and if I don't wear these, I do see a very big difference. So that is a little capsule collection for mature women on how to get glass-like skin. It's not about using 400,000 different products. I show you a ton of products on my channel because that's my job as an esthetician, as a beauty expert, to experiment with things, and everybody has different needs. Everyone has different, focus on what's going on with their skin. But I can tell you, if you pare it all back, think about 2025. Where do you want to see your skin in the first quarter, second quarter? Because you can go by the 90 days, which is a great little check mark for you to check in and see how your skin's doing. Pull it all back. Put in something that you haven't tried before, like a Nira laser at home, easy, simple. Cost per use is going to be nil because you're not going into a doctor's office every 3 weeks or 4 weeks or 6 weeks and having to do all of that. You have it at home. You can use it every day. See your fine lines and wrinkles improve. See your texture of your skin improve. See the pigmentation improve. My big thing for 2025 is going to be being very consistent on my hands. I've told you that before. I want to be very consistent with remembering to do this on my hands because I'm so focused on my face, on my hands, and then the easy peasy, just swipe this on and then see about just really improving my hands for 2025. That's one of the big things because I had it as my intention the last year, and then I've just been so focused on everything else. My hands have kind of gone by the wayside. So I'm pulling that back in for my focus for 2025 when it comes to my skin. I hope you enjoyed some of these products, some of these things that will really enhance you as you age, as you see your skin changing. It doesn't have to be a scary thing. It can be an exciting thing. You have tools to help you through this, to look beautiful, to feel confident. It takes effort, ladies. It's not going to be where, you don't do anything and your skin looks amazing. I have to work really hard. I have to figure out what is going on with my skin at each season, at each time, depending on how stressed I am or, how much I'm traveling, etc. So I hope you enjoy this. Leave a comment below. Let me know. Do you use the Nira? Have you started using the laser? And have you seen a difference? Have you switched up your skincare? Have you tried new things? I would love to know. And until my next video, I'll see you later.